Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Let's keep it moving. Good girl. Good girl. But our camera's just going to be water droplets. Good girl. Thank you. Good girl. Good girl. Ooh. I hate when you get something stuck in your nail and you can't get it out. Good girl. Feeling a bit lazy. Can you get it out? Long trap. Speedy. Speedy, speedy, speedy. And slow. Still trying. Still trying. And faster. Faster, faster, faster. Good girl. Faster, faster, faster. And steady. Still trying. Just a bit slower. Good girl, and walk then. Good girl. Nope. Walk. 1, 2, and go. Steady. Steady and go. Good girl. Yeah? Steady, good girl. And good girl. Oh, good girl. Good girl. Good girl. That was good. And dropped him. Good girl. That was really good. Nice and warm. In a minute. I'm gonna do like a few more canters and all that. And dropped in. Good girl. Is this one alright? Yeah. Come on. No, let's not buck before they jump. That was huge. Good girl. And dropped in. Good girl. Come on. No, let's not buck before they jump. Steady. Gonna go over it again. Steady it up then. Oh my god, I didn't expect it to go that large. Yeah. Good girl. Good girl. and trotting and walking. Good girl. Yep. Ooh, speeding into it. Tommy, you got that on video. You ready? Yeah. Let's jump it normally this time. Good girl. Yeah. One time I was cantering around that bit and a pigeon flew right into my face and it just dodged me. I was like, oh, what the hell? And I was cantering as well. I was like, oh, great. Get out. You wanna go? Catch her. Why are we cantering like that? Go! Good girl. I don't think I'm going any further than that. Good girl. Alright! Good girl. Maybe she'll be faster on the way back. Who knows? But I don't know. Canada in school, she was fine. Had a few bucks, but whatever. Did a jump, she was really good. In here, walk and trot, she's fine. Canter, it's fine. You'll be fine, won't you, babes? Are we gonna go fast? She's so good though, like I've got her on a loose rein. She ain't gonna do that bad. Make sure no one's there. Go! Come on. Come on. Come on. And trotting. Good girl.
There's some dog walkers up there.
You don't mind if I have a little trot, do you? Thank you. Thank you. She feels fine, to be honest. Yeah. Good girl. You gonna? I didn't think you did, but yeah. I kind of wanted to see you do a little cross country. Good girl! You want to keep walking? Go on then. Where are we going? I'm off. I'll wait for you to go up there and everything. Alright. Watch where you're going. We're going a little walk around that area. Oh. This isn't lunchtime. Alright. Get him. Get him. Get him. Come on. Go. I'm gonna run you. Okay.
There's some people up there. I don't know if they've got a dog.
Should we just go? Go on then. Go on. Are you trying? Oh really? What the hell? No. Muncher. Is that good? Hmm? Oh my god, she's running. Get him. Get him. Get him. Ooh. This is not okay, Ruby. Yes, go. Go. Good girl, go. Good girl, go. Good girl. To be fair, you could actually have a canter in there, couldn't you? Good girl. You good girl, aren't you?